Guys, welcome to my channel and to today's video. My name's Debbie, if we've not met before, and I'm going to be doing kind of two parts to this video today. I've got the new Prism blush palette from Lunar Beauty, so I want to try that out, but I thought that would be quite a short video just showing you the blushes in there. And I thought to make it a little bit more interesting, I'll also do a look with the Strawberry Dream palette from Lunar Beauty as well, because I've used it once for a Christmassy look, and I will link that if you want to check it out. But I used the golds and like the dark pinks, like a bit more cranberry kind of vibe in that one. And it just struck me that there's some beautiful pinky tones in this palette that would really complement the blushes as well. So just thought I'd do it two parts, and I will put a timestamp if you want to just go straight to the blush palette, of course, because I know that's the new release that you might be a lot more interested in. So without further ado, let's get into the look with the Strawberry Dreams palette. So I'm priming today with the Sigma eyeshadow base in Persuade, my new favourite. So these are the shades in the palette. I'm sure you're familiar, this is an older palette, but I think I want to keep things really soft for this look. So I'm going to take this one as a transition, probably using these two on my lids and in a corner, and maybe this one in my outer V. So something really pink and pretty, I think, for today's look. So as I say, starting with the shade Cloudy, I'm just pretty much setting that primer with that across the whole of my crease area. This primer is a little bit pink anyway, so you can't really see too much difference, I think, where I'm putting that, but it will just give me something to blend other shades into. And then in my outer V, I'm going to go in with Sunset. So just packing that on my outer V, and then I will bring it through the crease as well. Being careful with this look not to take it too high. I'm trying to keep it just into this crease area. I want it to look soft and pink and pretty and not too dramatic today. Now I've got less on the brush, I'm just going to take that onto my lower lash line as well. Back into the original brush on the shade Cloudy. I just want to make sure that's blended really well with that Sunset shade. It's working on this outer corner really. And then I'm going to take that on my lower lash line as well to further blend that out. I want to get a light wash of kind of pinky sparkles on my lids. I'm not going to spray my brush or use a glitter glue today. I'm just going to use that shade. I'm using it dry, it's Sweet Dream. Okay, so that's all I'm going to do for the lids. I'm going to keep it nice and soft and pretty and romantic. And then for my inner corner, I'm going to go in with Blue Diamond. I think that will work best just packed on with my finger, so I'm going to do that. I'm just going to have that kind of splaying just down a little bit, which I'm really enjoying the look of. Just going to quickly hop off camera for mascara, liner, lips, the whole finishing touches, but I'm not going to put any blush on, and then we'll come back together and we'll test out the Moon Prism blush palette. Okay guys, so that's the look to this point. So super soft and pretty natural looking for me. I've done a wing liner with the Nabla Cupid's Arrow in number 3. It's quite a big tip to this, so to make a wing liner with it, I was able to use it across the top of my lids, but then to wing it out I needed a brush, and this one, the EO6 by Sigma, has got like that shape, kind of the angled tip to it, and that enabled me to drag the product out and make a little baby wing there, and I thought it just looked a lot softer than using black for a change. And I've not gone with any lashes today, just lash-ins of BadGal Bang Mascara, and then my lipstick is a Nabla lipstick in the shade Platinum. Onto the blush then. Excited for this. I think the packaging is just stunning. Again, like you did with the Strawberry Dream palette, you've got like the raised moon here. It's just really beautiful. These portions here are all raised as well. It's just absolutely stunning. I think he kills it with his packaging. And I'm such a packaging person that this the main reason I wanted to pick it up, I'm not going to lie. So inside you've got one of those plastic slips like you always do. There's a really big mirror inside, and then that's the beautiful shades inside, and it's marketed as a blush palette, but I would say these are more contour shades for me. So I'm going to try kind of contouring with those, and I'm going to pick a couple of the shades to use. I'm going to use these two pinky ones because I think they will complement my look more, but I'm also going to insert swatches of all the colours on my arm as well, so that you can see what all the colours look like, but obviously not going to be able to put them all on with this look. So that's what we're going to do. So I'll just insert the swatches so that you can see them, and then we'll carry on. So we've got Pink Moon, Twilight, Spacey, Soleil, Stargaze, Gravity. Okay, so that was the swatches. What did you think? I think they're super, super pretty. I love as well how he puts these labels for the names kind of on an angle, so it doesn't matter kind of which way up you've got it, you can still see the names. They're kind of on the corners, which I think is super cool. Spacey looks like a really lovely contour for me, so I'm going to go in and just do a bit of contour with that. I've already got a little bit of bronze on, but I'm going to just contour with that. I'm going in my Extreme Structure Contour FO4 from Sigma. I'm just taking that, as I say, as a contour kind of shade. It is quite blushy actually when you get it on your cheeks, but I think it works quite well as a blush contour, and actually these are way more pigmented than I expected them to be. That is really pretty, but really quite pigmented. I was worried because I thought they looked quite natural, and if you've been here before you know that I don't mind being quite bold with my makeup, but that actually is such a beautiful colour. It's a blush colour for sure, it's not a contour colour as I kind of thought, but it will do a contour for me. Look, it's definitely carving out my cheeks there. It's perhaps a bit warm for a contour, but really, really pretty. Just buffing that into my skin because I don't like to have one big streak there really. So I'm going to use the shade Stargaze as my blush today. Can't wait to dip into this one in another look. I think I'll do another look tomorrow and incorporate this palette again, because that one's got some duochrome kind of shimmer to it. I love a glowy blush, but just fancy to use this colour. I think it will suit my look. So that colour is Stargaze. I love that all the names are on brands. We've got Pink Mood, Twilight, Spacey, Soleil, Stargaze and Gravity. They're all on brand with this like lunar theme, which I think is super cool. So I've taken this on a Spectrum A5. I'm just going to put that on the more so on the apples of my cheeks now. That is really pretty. It's more peachy than pinky. Really super pretty. I'm getting more and more into blush just lately because it really like livens up your face. It's just so gorgeous. Again, I'm just going to buff that into my skin just to make it look a little bit more seamless. But that's really brought my face to life. I love it. Just going to see if we can get away with using Soleil as kind of a blush topper stroke highlight actually. Just want to try them all because they just all look so pretty. Using the Sigma High Cheekbone Highlighter FO3, going into Soleil. I'm focusing that more on the high points there. Oh, that's super glowy, that's gorgeous. It's got like a gold iridescence to it. I don't even think I need highlight. Just glowing really, really. Just catching the light, it's so stunning. I don't know if you can see. Super impressed. I haven't got any of his highlights at all, the Prism highlights I think they are. Haven't got any of those, but I really want one now after trying this. I just think he's doing quality products and he only has a small amount of products in a launch. So this came out with 3 lip glosses. I didn't pick up the lip glosses. They're all sold out now though, and the palette is sold out on Beauty Bay, which is where I bought mine. The palette retails for £35 on Beauty Bay. I got mine with £10 off of Tri-Point, so that was a result for me, but I still think it's such a good buy because the pans are pretty large. You know, you're getting sort of, you could pay quite honestly £20 each for these if they were in just single packaging, and I think they'll work for a range of different people, because sometimes when you buy a blush palette or highlight palette or anything like that, it doesn't work for everyone. But I think these could be used as I've done, as like more of a contour kind of to carve out your cheeks with blush. And then the other colours, you've got an orangey one or a deeper pink to go either way, either direction with that. This gorgeous topper shade that sort of leans pinky gold, so would work with them all or on its own. But for summer, it's just picking up the light so well, it's gorgeous. And then you've got a pastel-y lighter pink one if you're ultralight skin tone as well. But I think that would work for probably light to medium skin tones, probably not if you're much deeper, but then, you know, probably all the others would work for you. So I think, you know, that's the criticism levelled at palettes, but I think he's got it covered. I think the shade range is really, really nice and will appeal to a lot of people. You know, I don't mind a kind of out of the box blush that's like a red blush, for example, or whatever, but I know that's not for everyone, and these are wearable colours that are so pretty and romantic. So super happy that I got this. If it restocks, guys, I think it's pretty much sold out everywhere. It's available on his website, sold out there, and it's available on Beauty Bay. I don't know what other retailers he has, but I know there's other international retailers as well. If you can get hold of this, totally recommend it if you love blush like I do. The powders like are super smooth, they've blended out really well, the glowy blush is just gorgeous. All I can say is positives. So if you don't have it and you love blush and you like the packaging, what more can I say? I think it's a no-brainer, pick it up if you want it. But other than that, guys, that brings us to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I kind of crammed a lot of things into one video, but I thought it might be a bit of a short video just talking about the blush. So hope you enjoyed this style of kind of bringing something back older from the brand and then something new that they've released. I thought that might be fun. I've only got one of his lipsticks and that's a really dark red, otherwise I would have worn a Lunar Beauty lipstick. Maybe I should pick up one of those glosses when they come back. I'm just not so much of a gloss girl and I tend to just more gravitate to a bit deeper coloured lips, but as I say, maybe I will pick one up now because everything I've tried from the brand so far, and I've got 2 palettes now, 1 lipstick and this blush palette have all been really good. So that wraps things up. I won't ramble on anymore, but I hope you enjoyed watching. If you're new to my channel, then I'd love it if you consider subscribing and also hitting the bell notification so that you don't miss any future uploads from me. But other than that, guys, hope you're keeping safe and well. Have a lovely day or night wherever you are, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.